In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello account. Upgrading your Trello account can give you access to more features and enhance your overall productivity. Whether you want to unlock advanced tools or streamline your workflow, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to Trello.com, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll want to locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your account. Here, you have the choice of logging in using either your email address or your Google account. Whichever method you choose, enter your credentials and get logged into your Trello account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which displays all your boards. The next step is to navigate to your boards. You can do this by clicking on the boards option, usually found in the same navigation bar where you logged in. Now you'll see a list of your existing workspaces. It's time to select the workspace you wish to upgrade. Click on this workspace to open it up, and then find the settings option, which is usually positioned either in a sidebar or under a drop-down menu. Selecting settings will bring up various administrative tools related to this workspace. Now within the settings menu, look for an option labeled workspace settings. Click on it and then proceed to find the billing option. This is where you'll manage the financial aspect of your Trello account. After accessing the billing section, you will see the available plans. Here, Trello provides choices mainly between the standard and premium plans. Your selection will largely depend on your needs and the level of collaboration and functionality required by your projects. Thoroughly compare the features of each plan to ensure you're making the choice that best suits your professional needs. Once you've decided which plan is right for you, you'll need to enter your credit card information to proceed with the upgrade. Make sure to double check your card details before submitting to avoid any issues with payment. Finally, after entering your card details, click on Next, Confirm Payment. This will guide you through the final confirmation screen where you can review your plan details and payment before finalizing the upgrade. And there you have it, you've successfully upgraded your Trello account, unlocking new capabilities and tools to boost your efficiency. Keep in mind that these improvements can greatly enhance your project management experience. If you encountered any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to Trello support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.